your company, your style, your smile, your peace mentality. Lord, have mercy on me. I was blind, now I can see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free. Come on and go with me. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Surah 31:18. Your background, it ain't squeaky clean shit. Sometimes we all got to swim upstream. You ain't no saint, we all a sinner. But you put your good foot down and make your soul the winner. I respect that. Man, you're so fat, and you're all that, plus supreme. Then you're humble, man, I'm numb, yo, with feeling. I can feel everything that you bring. Let's take a long walk around the park after dark. Find a spot for us to spark conversation, verbal elation, stimulation. Share our situation, temptation, education, relaxation, elevation. Maybe we could talk about Revelations 3:17. Or maybe we could see a movie, or maybe we could see a play on Saturday. Or maybe we could roll a tree and feel the breeze and listen to a symphony. Or maybe chill and just be. Or maybe we could take a cruise and listen to the roots. Or maybe eat some passion fruit. Or maybe fly to the blues. Or maybe we could just be silent.
It broke the heel strap in the first corner.
The limo! The limo is coming! Yeah!
We came here in Serbia and this is the third time that I come. But the first time when the track is so technical. It's maybe the best track I've ever seen.
Yes?
They did a great job.
Okay. Yeah, the course is outrageous. It's one of the most difficult courses I've been so far. Congrats for the guys that organized this contest.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's one of the single most challenging downhill cross-country MBS competition, not MBS, mountain boarding competition here in this part of Europe, and each time they'll invite us, Romania will come. So I'm Ice from Romania. Go all-terrain board.
Oh. I don't know what I can say. I'm maybe better than Romania
Yes.
racer. Prostě nasrat. Finish.
Okay.
Tak ocenujeme to.
I
don't smoke.
Yes, I know that. But
Fast and furious.
Став, скажи смеху.
Goodbye.
Okay, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Niki from Bulgaria. You have amazing terrain. It's a little difficult, but it's cool.
Boban said to us that's our longest place for romantic boarding in the world. Is that true?
In Europe, I think so. For the world, I don't know. But
Have you
it's
been
really,
around?
It's really nice terrain. Hard, not easy to ride. It's make riders progress in this sport. The important thing is to make more and more events, and maybe you guys from the media must help to Bobo and to Predrag to organize bigger and bigger competitions.
I don't want to go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I wanna chill, but I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I don't wanna go to work today. I'd rather stay home and play video games. I'd rather chill for